All right, so there it is, my spring pole lathe. There's the dummy head, the one that doesn't move, but the prong moves back and forth in it for fine adjustment. There's my movable head, and you can see that it's held in place with a sort of a mortise and tenon joint, and it too has a movable head. I was originally going to use a spring pole, and the pole was going to go through that hole and come out the way that some of the older ones do, but they kept breaking on me and I couldn't get it to work right, and even when I did, the action wasn't smooth enough to really work. So I built this thing, and it's only sort of temporary, but it's now a bungee lathe. Same thing, same idea, but it actually works. So let's see it in operation. There you have it. Of course, it only cuts in the downstroke, and it takes a little getting used to, but it works.